What if I told you that you can create AI characters that look exactly the same in every image without paying for any expensive AI tools? Imagine creating a story where your main character never changes. The same face, the same hairstyle, the same clothes, the same quality every single time. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact free method I use to generate perfectly consistent AI images for YouTube videos, animation, story channels. No paid subscription, no complicated software, no Photoshop skill. And here is the best part. By the end of this video, you will know how to create your own AI characters, keep them consistent across hundreds of images, and generate professional looking scenes that makes your video stand out. If you have been struggling with AI changing your character's face in every image, this tutorial could completely change the way you create content. So grab your phone or computer, let's get started. Click on your browser, type in Flow AI. Then you click on Google Labs. It will ask you to choose the email that we use to log in. And this is the interface. Click on New Project. This is where you paste your prompt. When you come to this interface, this is where you can change the aspect ratio of your image. When you're posting on YouTube, you can leave it at 16:9. If you are posting on TikTok or Facebook, you should change it to 9:16. Here is where you write your prompt. Let me paste my prompt. After pasting your prompt, you can indicate whether it is a realistic image or a 3D cartoon image. Let me generate a 3D cartoon image. Then click on this arrow and it will start generating. Okay, this is the image that we were able to generate. So let's save one. If you want to save it, you click on it. Click on it, come to this arrow at the top of the screen, click on it. You can save it in either 1K resolution or 2K resolution. So we'll save it. After saving it, come back to this arrow. I'm going to generate two different images so that I'll be able to teach you how to combine 2 or 3 persons in one scene. So let's generate another image. You write your prompt. After writing your prompt, click on the arrow to generate the images. So this is the image is generated for us. So let's save one. Now I want to teach you how to combine 2 or 3 characters in one scene. What you are going to do is this. Click on this plus sign. You add the first character that you want to generate. Add the first character. Click on the plus sign again. Add the second character. And then give the AI the prompt of what the characters are doing. After writing your prompt, make sure you ask the AI to maintain their outfits. Don't forget to ask the AI to maintain their outfits, their face and hairstyle. Then remember to add your 3D cartoon style if you are using 3D cartoon style, or realistic image if you are using realistic image. Then click on create. Look at it. It has finished generating. Are they not the same character? They are the same character with the same hairstyle, the same clothes, the same facial features. Anyone you want to save, just click on it. Click on this arrow and choose either 1K or 2K resolution. For example, if you already have the image you want to recreate in your gallery, let me teach you how to import it. This is what you will do. Come to this plus sign, click on it, click on upload media, and it will take you directly to your gallery, where you will now upload your image that you want to create in different style. You just click on the images, even if it's 10 images that you want to upload, you can click on them at once and then click on done, and it will upload them. So when it uploads them, you'll be able to choose from them when you want to combine your characters. So that's how to upload an image that already exists in your gallery if you want to use an image from your gallery. So let's create another scene with these two characters. Click on the plus sign, add the characters. Let me just choose this one that they are talking. Then I will now give you the prompt of what the character should be doing. Let me say they are standing in the market pricing tomatoes. So I said they are standing in the market pricing tomatoes. Don't forget to add maintain their outfits. If you want to change the outfit, you can just explain the outfit that they will change to. But if you don't want to change the outfit, remember to tell the AI to maintain the outfit, maintain their face and their hairstyles. Then remember to add your image style, whether 3D cartoon style or realistic image style. So after writing your prompt, just click on send and it will start generating. So the girls are in the market pricing tomatoes. Any of the images that you like, you can just click on it, come to this arrow sign and download it. If you got value for this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever we upload this kind of video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and bye.